What's going on, family? How y'all doing this morning? I'm working on my final stages of the hog-on staircase. I'm about to lay out my holes in my wood and then stain the wood, wipe down the metal, make sure all the little birds and little stuff like that is off of it where it's smooth to the touch, and then I'm gonna start painting it. So I wanted to show you the structure of the frame so you can kind of see the way I do this one. Like I say, I do them different ways. This one is actually structured for an older couple. So the ones I normally make, they only have 2 braces in them plus the wood, but he wanted 2 more braces, which is fine. Just, it makes it a little stronger. I think it is, honestly, it was almost the same, but now it's just a little more tougher since it's completely done with 2 more extra brackets in there. So, but I got everything done. Like I said, I just got to clean it up, wipe it down, and then paint it. So wanted you to just to see the way that I lined it out. Like I say, this is my own personal design. Like I say, something I came up with, and it's working good. Like I don't have any complaints. It's sturdy. It's gonna be a good unit. So, and the cool thing, once you brace the wood on there too, it just locks it down, like bam. So I got to drill my holes in. I'm gonna be doing that, drill the holes in the wood and in my brackets, and then I like to try to have my holes drilled before I start painting it. That way I don't have no issues on scratching up the paint or having to go back and touch it. I like to do things one time, that way I ain't double working myself. Hold on.